Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Tots the Monkey. And this is book number 7, lesson 1. All right, so let's get started. What do we do with lesson number 1? We build words. That's what we do. And we are still working on the short I vowel, short I sound, okay? And again, this is the I, uppercase I, lowercase I, and a picture clue to help us, igloo. So the short I sound is I, as in igloo. All right, let's go ahead and go over the letters so that we can build some words. And let me get the top off this marker. Okay, let's get started. This is the letter B, 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 D, 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 F, F, G, G, H, I, which we already know, uppercase P, P, lowercase p, P, uppercase S, S, lowercase s, S, and T, T. So we have 2 uppercase letters, or otherwise known as capital letters, and so that means that we should have some names in this story. So we should have some characters in this story that have a name. All right, let's go ahead and make our words. We ready, Tops? Yes, we are. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and start with I, S, and we have is. Now let's go ahead and add an H in front of is. And we get the word his. Is. His. All right, let's take away the S and replace it with a T. So we have a different word. So now we have H, I, T, and we have the word hit. Hit. If we take away the H, then we just simply have the word it. All right, let's add a B in front of it. And we have another word, and that word is bit. Bit. Let's take away the T and exchange it for a G, and now we have the word big. Big. If we take away the B and replace it with the letter F, we now have the word fig. Fig. Let's replace the F with an uppercase P, and we have the word pig, or the name pig, because it has that uppercase letter P. So someone is pig in the story. All right, and now we're going to go back to the short I, I. And after it, we're going to add a D, and we have id. No, that got blurry, didn't it? Id. And then let's put in front of id another D. So now we have the word did. Did. Replace that D, the beginning D, with an uppercase S, and we have the name Sid. Sid. And let's start back with the I. So we go back to the I again. Add a P after it. We get the word chunk, ip. And let's add a T in front of ip. And we get the word tip. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to say these words. Is, his. Boy, I messed up with that, didn't I? I believe that was an H. So let's go back to it. Hit, it, bit. And then over here we have big, fig, pig, did, Sid, and tip. These are our words that we build that will be in the story that we will share, that we will read in part 2. Okay, so come back for part 2. All right, Tops and I say bye. Bye.